Have you ever wondered how someone can go from knowing almost zero English to having real conversations, reading books, even thinking in English in just 5 months? What if I told you I did exactly that? No shortcuts, no English-speaking country, just a plan, persistence, and a few smart strategies. Stay with me till the end, and you might just unlock your own fast track to fluency. This is the story of how I learned English in 5 months and the exact steps I used to improve English fast so you can do it too. When I first started, I could barely form a sentence. I was shy. I was scared of mistakes. I had tried apps, books, classes, but nothing stuck. One evening, I asked myself, if I still can't speak after another year, what will happen? That fear lit a fire inside me. I made a decision. I will speak. I will read. I will live English, not just study it. My goal was crystal clear. English fluency within months, not years. And that night, I committed to a daily plan and never looked back. The first big shift? Stop only learning and start using. Most learners stay trapped in study mode. Grammar drills, vocabulary lists, endless worksheets. But real progress comes from real usage. Every single day, I promised myself, I will use English. Even if it's only 5 minutes of speaking to myself, it counts. Mistakes? They became my teachers, not my enemies. Comfort? It would come only from action, never from hiding. Here's how I broke my 5 months into a powerful routine. Month 1. Foundation and exposure. I filled my world with simple English stories, children's graded readers, beginner podcasts. These gentle, interesting stories matched my level and built confidence. I wrote tiny journal entries, just 1 or 2 sentences, and read them aloud. At least 30 minutes a day of hearing or reading meaningful English. Month 2. Speaking and shadowing. I started shadowing, repeating every sentence right after a native speaker. I recorded myself talking about anything, then listened back, learning from every stumble. I found one language buddy online and practiced simple conversations each week. Month 3, reading and expansion. I moved to more advanced graded readers and easy novels. I kept a small vocabulary notebook, but only for words I saw 2 or 3 times. I read aloud for pronunciation, training my voice to move with the language. Month 4, real conversations. I joined online exchanges, voice calls, video chats. I forced myself to speak, even with pauses, hesitations, mistakes. I kept recording short monologues, 1 to 2 minutes about my day, my dreams. Month 5, immersion and thinking in English. I switched my phone, my apps, everything to English. I narrated my life in English. I'm going to the kitchen. I will make tea. I watched English shows with subtitles off, then checked with them on. I challenged myself. No translations allowed. Every month, the usage grew, the difficulty rose, and my confidence exploded. 3 core strategies powered it all. First, consistent microhabits. 10 minutes reading, 5 minutes speaking, every single day. Tiny actions repeated 150 days create massive change. Second, graded readers and authentic input. I didn't force hard texts too early. Graded readers gave me understanding without struggle. Then I slowly added podcasts and real books. Third, speak no matter what, even when my words were broken, even when I forgot half the vocabulary. Speaking, making errors, was the bridge to fluency. Let me share my month-by-month milestones. Month 1, I could understand short stories and speak single sentences. I felt frustrated, slow, doubtful. Month 2, I shadowed and held tiny talks with my partner. Still embarrassed, but progress was visible. Month 3, I read easy novels and wrote better journals. Confidence grew, though speech was still slow. Month 4, I joined real video calls and gave 2-minute monologues. Nervous, but freer every day. Month 5, I thought in English, watched shows without subtitles. Conversations began to flow. Excitement replaced fear. I felt alive. Here are a few shortcuts I wish I'd known sooner. Use a learning window, the first 30 minutes of your day when your brain is sharpest. Set micro goals, 1 page tonight, 2 minutes of speech. Record and listen. Your own voice reveals hidden mistakes. Tie habits to triggers. After brushing your teeth, say 1 English sentence. Stop translating in your head. Force direct meaning. Iterate, fail, adjust, grow. If you want your own 5-month breakthrough, here's the blueprint. Decide today. Commit fully. Start with graded readers and simple audio you understand. Add a daily speaking habit. Even 1 minute counts. Use shadowing, recording, and conversation partners. Increase difficulty step by step. More challenging books, raw podcasts, real talks. Immerse yourself daily. Change your phone settings. Think in English. Track your progress every month. And above all, be kind to yourself. Fluency belongs to those who show up, not those who wait. Maybe you're thinking, I don't have time. But you can spare 5 minutes. Small effort beats 0 effort. I'm too old. Age cannot stop the brain from adapting. I'm too shy. Start with voice memos. Let courage grow. I tried before and failed. Good. You know what doesn't work. Now find what does and begin again. You don't need the perfect method. You need a method you will keep. 5 months of steady, fearless effort can transform your English more than years of half-hearted study. I am proof. And you? You can write your own story. So start today. Speak today. Even if it's broken, even if it's scary, that is the way forward. If my journey inspired you, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss my next tips. I'll share more strategies, more mistakes to avoid, and challenges you can follow month by month. Thank you for listening, and remember, the first step to fluency begins right now.